Alright, on number 14, we have 5 divided by the quantity of the product of x minus 1 and x plus 4. Since these are already factored, we don't really need to do any extra math. So x minus 1 equals 0 gives you x equals 1. X plus 4 gives you equal to 0 gives you x equals negative 4. So my two vertical asymptotes are x equals 1 and x equals negative 4. Now that my two vertical asymptotes are graphed, to do your horizontal asymptote, the degree on the top is 0, the degree on the bottom is squared, because x times x is x squared. Since the denominator is greater than the degree on the top, the horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0. So I'm going to graph that one in. Alright, so graphing my points, looking at my calculator, I'm going to go between negative 4 and 1 first. At negative 3.5, I have negative 2.2. So negative 2. At negative 3, I have negative 1.25. At negative 2.5, I have negative 9.5. At negative 2, I have negative 0.8. Negative 1, I have negative 0.83. Negative, I have 0.83. At negative 1.5, I have 0.8. That's not right. .83, 0.8. At 0, I have negative 1.25. At negative 0.5 and negative 2.222. So I got this parabola. Okay. Now on the other side of 1, I have 1.5, which has got me at 1.8. At 3, it's at 3.5. At 4, it's at 0.2. At 0.5, or sorry, at 5, it's at 0.13. So it comes down and curves. Vice versa on the other side, it's going to mirror. So at negative 4.5, it's going to be at 1.8. So I went 2 over from the asymptote. So negative 6, it's going to be negative 3.5. At 4, so 7, negative 0.2. And 8 is going to be at negative 0.13. So got the graph going on this side. Just make sure if you can't see anything on your graphs that you guys zoom in on your graphs or type in values and see what's going on, see what's happening. Use your zoom box, it'll be your best friend.